Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it. Now we have 10 most important MCQs for Mdcat and exam preparation. Question number 1. Which of the following is the term for the physical expression of a gene? The answer is option B. Phenotype. Question number 2. Which of the following is the process by which genetic variation is generated? The answer is option A. Mutation. Question number 3. Which of the following is the scientific study of heredity and variation? The answer is option A. Genetics. Question number 4. Which is the process by which genetic information is transferred from DNA to RNA? The answer is option A. Transcription. Question number 5. Which is the process by which genetic information is transferred from RNA to protein? The answer is option B. Translation. Question number 6. Which of the following is the double helix structure of DNA composed of? The answer is option A. Two standards of nucleotides. Question number 7. Which of the following is the molecular basis of heredity? The answer is option A. DNA. Question number 8. Which is the term for the movement of genes from one population to another? The answer is option A. Gene flow. Question number 9. Which of the following is the process by which species change over time? The answer is option A. Evolution. Question number 10. What is the process by which the body defends itself against disease-causing organisms? The answer is option B. Immunity.